Hi guys, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. This week, the subject is spuds. That's right, potatoes. But not your everyday boring mashed potatoes, baked potatoes side dish. This week, I decided to slice them up, dice them up, flavor them up, and come up with a totally different potato side dish. I call it Potato Pave. You want to see how I did that? Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Okay, let's start by peeling 4 potatoes. Potatoes are peeled, set that aside. 2 cups of half and half into a 2-quart pan. 6 cloves of garlic in my garlic smasher. Tablespoon of salt. Turn up the heat. Give it a stir, bring it to a simmer. Pour it into the mixing bowl. Slice the potatoes into the mixing bowl. That's about the thickness right there, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Press them into the half and half and let them soak up those juices good and proper. There's my 5x8 loaf pan lined with parchment paper. 1 layer of potatoes. Season it with some salt, some pepper, layer of cheddar cheese. Continue that process till the potatoes are used up. Bring the level of the milk up to the top of the potatoes. Fold over the parchment paper. Into the oven, 350 degrees for 1.5 hours. Potatoes are cooked. Press them down. I use cardboard wrapped in aluminum foil. I put some weight on it. I use peanut butter. In the refrigerator for about 4 hours. While they're cooling, let's make the special butter. 1 stick of room temperature butter. Add those spices listed on the screen. Mix them all together. There you go. Potatoes are cooled. Out of the pan. Peel off the parchment paper. Slice it down. Frying pan. Cooking oil. Put the potatoes in the frying pan. Turn them over, sear all 4 sides, about 1 minute on each side. Finished product, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Now that's what I call a good potato. You should give this a try. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button. Subscribe. Share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our Creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.